In this video you will learn how to edit and remove coins using Merlin's editing features. The following coin edits are available in Merlin. How to edit your cost basis, which is also known as your average coin price. How to hide or delete coins from your asset list. How to hide, delete, reassign, or add a single transaction. Finally, you will learn how to change or reassign your coin ticker symbol. To use any of the Merlin editing features, you must first have at least one asset connected to your Merlin. You can connect assets to Merlin automatically. Click the Learn page for more instructions, or you may use our support tool in the bottom right corner. Click on the Help section. You can look at frequently asked questions, view our video tutorials on how to add coins and exchanges, or contact us. Once you have added an asset, you can begin the editing process. In this section, you will learn how to edit the cost basis. On the Assets page, you must identify which coin you would like to edit. For this example, let's say the average price for XRP is incorrect. Click on the asset ticker symbol. Click on the Edit Coin button in the My Asset box section. You will see all the transactions for this coin. Once you identify the incorrect transaction, click on the Edit drop-down menu. You have the option to edit, hide, reassign, or delete the transaction. Click Edit. All the fields are now editable. Enter the corrected price. Click the check mark. Wait for the Saved Successfully message at the top of the screen. Click the Assets page to go back. You will now see the asset's average price has been changed. You have just edited the cost basis, or the average price paid. Next, you will learn how to hide a coin from the asset list. From the Assets page, identify which coin you would like to hide. In this example, we will use XRP. Click on the asset ticker symbol. Click on Edit Coin in My Asset box section. On the right, you will see the Assets Global Settings box. Click the Hide Asset button. Wait for the Asset Saved Successfully message. Click on the Assets page to go back. XRP now has a strike-through. When you see this, it means it is hidden and its totals have been removed. If you want to unhide it, click on the XRP ticker symbol. Then click Edit Coin in My Asset box section. Click the Hide button once again, to unhide it. Wait for the Asset Saved Successfully message. Click the Assets page to go back and verify XRP is no longer hidden. Please note that when an asset is hidden it will no longer show up in your total assets. Next, you will learn how to delete a coin from the asset list. To delete a coin, you must start at the Asset page. On the Asset page, you will identify which coin you would like to delete. In this example, we will use XRP. Click on the XRP ticker symbol. Click Edit Coin in My Asset box section. Now click Remove Asset in the Token Information box. Please note that removing assets will permanently delete them from Merlin and cannot be undone. You can only delete coins that have been added manually to Merlin. In order to delete a coin that was added via connecting to an exchange, you can either hide the coin or you must delete the entire exchange. Check our other tutorial videos on how to do this in the Help Center below. Once you are positive that you would like to remove the asset, click the Remove Coin button. Notice XRP is no longer part of the asset list and the total asset values are reduced. Next, you will learn how to hide, delete, reassign, or add a single transaction. From the Assets page, select the coin you would like to edit. In this example we will use Algo. Click the Edit Coin button in My Asset box section. You will see a series of transactions. Click the Add Transaction button to add a new asset transaction. Enter the quantity in the first box. Select transaction type. Enter the exchange or wallet where the coin is held. Type in the average price of the coin. Select the date that it was purchased. Click the check mark to the right of the date box to accept the change. Wait for the Created Successfully message. In this example, an additional 250 coins were added. Notice that a different exchange name was used and that we did not label it Coinbase. Please be aware if you add a transaction for an existing exchange that you already connected to Merlin automatically, this new transaction will only affect your average price on the assets page and not your total number of coins. Your total number of coins will not be increased or decreased, as this is determined by the exchange it is connected to. If you want to increase or decrease your total number of coins in Merlin manually, you must use an exchange name that is not already connected automatically. For example, you could name the exchange Coinbase 1 or Coinbase Staking. This will correctly display the increased or decreased number of coins on the Merlin Assets page. Remember, all coins added manually must be managed by you. You may manually edit a transaction by editing a buy, sell, deposit, or withdrawal. Click the Assets page to go back and confirm that 250 coins were added to Algo based on the new transaction. To hide a transaction, click the ticker symbol once again. Click Edit Coin in My Asset box section. Select the transaction you want to hide. Click the menu drop-down at the end of the transaction. Click the Hide button. The transaction now has a strike-through indicating it is hidden. Click the Assets page to go back and verify the coin count has been reduced based on the amount that has been hidden. You can also reassign a transaction. Let's reassign the transaction that you just hid, but first let's unhide the transaction. Click the Show button from the drop-down menu. This will unhide the transaction so you can see it and it can be reassigned. Click Reassign. You can change the name of the ticker symbol if you believe it was entered incorrectly or the transaction belongs to a different asset. Enter the name of the correct ticker symbol the transaction belongs to and click Save. To finalize, you would click the Reassign button. For the purposes of this demo, I will not click the Reassign button. To delete a transaction, highlight the transaction you would like to delete. Click the Delete button from the drop-down menu at the end of the transaction. Remember, this function cannot be undone. Once you click the Delete button, wait for the Deleted Successfully message. Click the Assets page to go back and verify your total coin count and average price has been recalculated. To edit the entire cost basis, without changing each transaction at a time. Starting from the Assets page, identify which coin you would like to edit globally. In this example, we will use Algo. Click the Algo ticker symbol. Click Edit Coin in My Assets box section. You will see a series of transactions. Instead of editing each transaction, you can change the cost basis globally in the Global Settings box. Click the Edit function on the cost basis. You can now override the cost basis. For this example, let's say the correct price was 55 cents. Enter the correct price and click Save. The cost basis has now been changed to the amount you entered, signified by the manual box to the right. Merlin still shows what the original cost basis was and when it was last updated. Click the Assets page to go back and confirm the change has been accepted. The individual transactions are now hidden. On the Assets page, the average cost basis or average price paid has been changed to the amount you manually entered. I will show you what happens when you add a transaction from this point. Once you have added the new transaction, click the Assets page to go back and you will see the average price paid has changed. When adding a new transaction, Merlin will calculate your new cost basis using the manually entered average price and the new transaction added. The average price is no longer the 55 cents you manually entered, now it is based on the average cost basis you manually entered plus the new transaction you added. Merlin will keep track of the correct average coin price going forward. If you would like to reverse the change, click the Edit button and you can either change the cost basis once again or remove the manual override. I will select Remove Manual Override for this example. You can see your new cost basis is now 89 cents, based on the previous transactions and the new transaction you added. Click the Assets page to go back to confirm the change has been accepted. I will now show you how to change or reassign a coin ticker symbol. To change or reassign the symbol, start on the Assets page. Click the asset you would like to change. In this example, we will use XRP. Click the Edit Coin button in the My Asset box. Once the Edit Coin menu opens, you can reassign the ticker symbol in the Global Settings box. If you find that the coin has the incorrect ticker symbol or it was entered incorrectly, you can edit globally and change the ticker symbol. Now click Save. Wait for the overridden symbol successfully message. Click the Assets page to go back. You now see the asset has been changed from XRP to Gala. If you incorrectly changed it, click on the Gala ticker symbol. Now click the Edit button. Notice it is showing it was edited. Click the Edit button. You can now change it to a different ticker symbol or restore the original. Wait for the Removed Overridden Symbol message. Click the Assets page to go back and you can see the symbol has been changed back. We hope you have found this video helpful in how to use all of the coin edit features in the Merlin app. If you should need any additional help, click on the support window below. You can chat with any of our support agents or click the Help button. You can review our frequently asked questions page or watch our tutorial videos. For further assistance, call our 1-800 number during the hours listed here. Thank you for your time and being part of the Merlin family. It's the smartest way to track your crypto.